Hi, I'm Jovi. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome piece of artwork. It's quick, easy, and very inexpensive. I used an actual stocking to make this, and it's on canvas so I can easily hang it up. And bonus, because I used a stocking, cut it in half, I got two. So I hope you will enjoy watching my how-to video today. You'll need to gather your items. Grab a stocking, a canvas, I used 11 by 14, scissors, Mod Podge, scrapbook paper, and a paper cutter. Start by unfolding the cuff on your stocking, then begin cutting. You'll want to cut right down the seam that's in the stocking. When you're done cutting, you'll notice that some of the seam is still attached to the inside of the stocking. Just cut that away now. Now go ahead and wipe off any loose material. Now it's time to choose your fun scrapbook paper. My canvas is 11 by 14, but my paper is only 8.5 by 11. But you'll notice that the stocking covers so much of the canvas that is not a problem. Here you will notice that the patterns in the paper do not line up. To fix that, I'm simply going to draw a very fine line on that overlapping piece of paper, and now I will just cut that corner off. Now I'm just going to do a final check to make sure everything lines up, everything fits the way that I want it to. Now it's time to Mod Podge our decorative paper onto our canvas. Now put your paper on the canvas and do not forget to press out the air bubbles. Now I will do the same thing for my second sheet of paper. Now we're ready to hot glue the cuff of the stocking down. A thin line of glue right along the white edge should do the job just fine. Now place the stocking on your canvas where you would like it and begin using your hot glue to set it into place. I couldn't decide whether I should cut off that little toe part of the stocking then also the top, so I asked my son his opinion, and he said he liked it hanging off the edge. He said it gave it a good 3D effect. And I think he's right, so I left it on. For the pieces that are hanging over, I just added some glue on the edges just to reinforce it and make sure it was attached really well. Now it's time for me to begin the second stocking. Here is our completed project. I could not be happier with how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching!